Now see here, in this question a 600 picofarad capacitor is charged by a 200 volt supply. It is then disconnected from the supply and connected to another uncharged 600 picofarad capacitor. Now, how much electrostatic energy is lost in this process? So, now see here, there are the two ways to calculate. First we calculate common potential, and then we can calculate initial energy, final energy and subtract it. But already we have done this formula. So, we can write that formula directly. Loss in energy is equal to C1 C2 into V1 minus V2 whole square upon twice of C1 plus C2. We are given C1 is equal to 600 picofarad, that can be written 600 into 10 raised to power minus 12 farad. So, 6 into 10 raised to power minus 10 farad. Similarly, C2 is equal to also can be written 6 into 10 raised to power minus 10 farad. And then we can take V1 is equal to 200 volt and V2 is equal to 0. So, now we place all these values in this formula. When we place all these values over here, we can get in this case here equal to 6 into 10 raised to power minus 10 into 6 into 10 raised to power minus 10, 200 minus 0 whole square divided by twice of 6 into 10 raised to power minus 10 plus 6 into 10 raised to power minus 10 joule. Now, when we solve it, we can get 6 into 10 raised to power minus 6 joule. So, by this way we can calculate total energy lost during the sharing of the charges.